Hello and welcome to the self-paced training on annotating. Our objectives for today is that participants will be able to annotate a short text. How to use these slides. So if you'd like instructions on how to use the Pear Deck slides, you can click on this video and it will open up. I'm not going to do that right now. Okay, how do you normally take notes? I write down the most important information or information I did not know previously. Annotating. Annotating is a systematic way to take notes. The word note is even in the name. Annotating is an active reading strategy used in close reading. When you annotate a text, you focus on the details. You think deeply about the content as you read. In this training, you will learn how to annotate as you read. Some useful tools for annotation include sticky notes, highlighters, pens. It is a good idea to use multiple different colors of each of the above tools. That way you can mark different kinds of information in different ways. The whole point of annotation is to keep your notes organized. Annotating. Here are some of the steps. Skim the document. Write the main ideas in your own words near the title. Read closely as you go. Highlight important ideas, including topic sentences. Circle unknown words. Write the definition in the margins. Draw arrows to connect ideas. Write your questions in the margins. Write personal connections in the margins. Write a summary at the end of each major section. Use sticky notes to mark information you will want to find again in the future, and make a legend for all of your marks. So there's a lot there. You do not have to use all of those. Try it. On the following slide, you will see a short text. Follow the prompts and use Pear Deck's drawing tool to annotate the text. Remember, in real life, all of the markings would be on the same page, not separated like they are here. Okay, so let's try this. Skim the text and write the main idea in your own words in a textbook at the top of the slide. Okay, so sports are a huge part of culture around the world. Even though teams play against each other in fierce competitions, sports bring people together. Soccer is the most popular sport on an international scale. Children start playing soccer almost as soon as they can walk, and most people around the world understand the main goal of the game, to get the ball into the net. Every 4 years, nations from around the world compete against each other in the World Cup. People travel from all over to watch their team compete at this elite event, and they often show their national pride by wearing team jerseys or even painting themselves national colors. The Olympics are another international renowned event. Every year, spectators turn into television sets around the world to watch people from their country compete in the Winter or Summer Olympics. Sports in maybe sports are an extremely important part of our life. Okay. So same thing. To read closely, use the highlighter tool to mark important ideas and topic sentences. This is a topic sentence. This is a topic sentence. This is a topic sentence. Maybe sports bring people together. It's an important idea. Read closely, circle unknown words, and look them up in a dictionary or thesaurus. Use the tool's box tool to write the definition in the margins, the white space next to the text. Use blue. What words do I not know. So let's say if I don't know fierce and maybe elite, so then I can look up what those mean. I kind of do know the definition, so I'll just kind of write what I kind of think they mean. It's like dramatic, extreme. Do one here. Elite, rich, powerful, special, kind of. Okay. Read closely. Use the pen tool to draw arrows between ideas that are connected to each other. I'm going to make this a little bit smaller. It's a bit big. Okay, so this talks about on an international scale. And this, so both of these talk about on an international scale. And maybe here too, around the world. So it's talking about the whole world and international scale. Okay. Ask questions to clarify ideas or prompt further research. Okay, let's try black. What is the best soccer team in the world? Maybe what sports are part of the Winter Games? Make connections to text and write them in the margins. I know that soccer is also called football. Why are there two names? This kind of is also asking a question, but it's kind of connecting. One of my friends in high school loved playing soccer. Okay. Summarize what you have read. Use a toolbox to write your summary at the end of the text. So I don't really have enough room at the end, but maybe sports are a huge, maybe I'll move this up so there's enough room. Sports are a huge part of a lot of people's lives. Soccer is an extremely popular sport. Most places in the world, the Olympics are a famous The Olympics is a famous sporting event. Yay. So here is an example. So some of what I had written was similar, some of it was different. Annotating. There is no one correct way to annotate. The things you pay attention to and make note of will change depending on what you are reading and why you are reading it. The preceding examples are a good starting point, but feel free to modify and add to this list when you annotate on your own. If you're annotating in a borrowed book, use multiple sticky notes and write all of your annotations on them. Try using different colors of sticky notes to mark different types of information. If you're annotating a digital document, try using a PDF editor to make your notes. The medium you use is not important as long as you understand your note-taking system. Helps organize notes and make ideas clear. When will you use annotation? When I am reading and collecting information for research, like a literature review. Right? So how easy, difficult was this training? I'll put neutral. How satisfied was I with this training? I'll put neutral. So at the end, and we have the training every Saturday. And here are the resources. So thank you very much, and bye-bye.